Hi, everyone. Today's topic is introduction to angiosperms, that is flowering plants. Angiosperms are plants. Plants are living organisms. They are special in the sense that they make their own food through process called photosynthesis. Plants are very important for life. They provide oxygen for animals, and they take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Crops are domesticated plants. Crops are plants that are useful to man. Man takes them from the wild and cultivate them for his own use. All crops are plants, but not all plants are crops. There are many plants that are regarded as weeds. They are not cultivated, but cultivated ones are called crops. These crops form our food, give us fiber for our clothes, give us raw materials for industry. All crops are higher plants, and most of them are angiosperms. Angiosperms, also called flowering plants, are plants that produce flowers and bear seed enclosed in a fruit. They have flowers, they have their fruit with seed. They live everywhere around us. They dominate plants in the world, and they occupy about 88% of plant kingdom. They are very successful plants on earth. Evolution of angiosperms. Angiosperm evolved about 140 million years ago. They have flowers and they have many pollinators, like animal, insects, wind. These pollinators that they have made them to be cross-pollinated, which give them room to be variable, that is, to have different types, which made them to withstand natural selection. Their fruits and seeds are well adapted for dispersal, which made them to spread throughout the world. Some of their fruits and seeds have wing, which made them to be easily blown by the wind. Some have spine, which made them to be attached to animal body and help them in dispersal to other places. They also undergo double fertilization. This fertilization leads to production of embryo and endosperm. Endosperm serve as food reserve for the embryo when they're mating. The body of a typical crop is divided into two systems: those above ground and those below ground. Those above ground, they are called shoot system, while below ground, they are called root system. The above ground consists of flower, fruit, stem, leaf, node, internode, bud. Internode is the distance between two nodes. The bud, there are two types of bud: the terminal bud and the axillary bud. The terminal bud terminates the plant, while the axillary bud occur at the axil. Axil is the angle between stem and leaf. The root system. The root system has two types: primary root and secondary root. The primary root is the root that develops from the radicle, while the secondary root, they are the root that emanated from the primary root. Angiosperms are divided into two groups of plants: monocots and dicots. As the dicots grow into embryo, the first leaves of the young sporophytes develop are called cotyledons. They are also called still leaf. Some group of plants, they only have one cotyledon. This group of plants are called monocots. Examples are maize, sorghum, rice, wheat. In fact, all cereals are monocots. The dicots, This one, they have two cotyledons. Cowpea, melon, cucumber, groundnut, soybean. They are all examples of dicotyledon. Now, let us compare monocot and dicot. Based on number of cotyledon, monocot has 1, dicot has 2. Based on leaf venation pattern, monocot is parallel, while dicot has net venation pattern. Based on root, monocot has fibrous root, while dicot has tapped root. Based on flower parts, monocot flower occur in groups of 3, while that of dicot occur in groups of 4 or 5. Based on vascular body position, monocot vascular body position are scattered, while that of dicot, they are arranged in a circle. Based on stem type, monocot have herbaceous stem, while dicot has herbaceous or woody stem. This table summarizes the differences between dicot and monocot plants. And the summary of what we have said so far is here. Our next topic will be to look at the plant parts. So next class, the next topic, looking at the stem and the root.